In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel GoDaddy domain renewal. Whether you're looking to let a domain expire for a project you no longer need, or you're planning to transfer to another service, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, the system will likely recognize you right away. After you've successfully logged in, turn your attention once more to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see your profile icon. Click on this to access a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you will need to select Renewals and Billing. This selection is where you can manage all the subscriptions and products associated with your account. In the Renewals and Billing section, you'll see a list of all your domains and products. Look through this list to find the specific domain or product you wish to manage. Once you've located it, you'll notice a button with 3 dots beside it. Click on these dots to bring up a menu with more choices. One of the options that should appear from this menu is Turn off auto-renew. By selecting this, you're opting out of automatically renewing your domain at the end of its current subscription period. Once you've turned it off, you'll see another option to cancel renewal. Clicking here will ensure that your domain will not renew and it will expire at the end of its term. After having taken these steps, the auto-renew feature for your domain will be disabled and its renewal will be canceled. However, before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to double check your selections to make sure everything is set as you intended. Perhaps you've had a change of heart or a new development arises. If so, the process is completely reversible. Simply return to the 3-dot button for your domain and select Turn on Auto Renew should you decide to reverse the cancellation. By carefully following these steps, you've now successfully canceled the renewal of your domain on GoDaddy. Remember that managing domain renewals effectively helps you stay on top of your subscriptions and prevents any unwanted charges. Thanks for watching and see you next time for more useful tutorials.